One final question. This one's from me. I like to ask every speaker this one. And it's not a technical one. It's a kind of a career type of a question. Maybe to help anybody out there that's at the beginning of their career or looking for some advice. So this would be you. If you could go back in time and talk to your 20-year-old self, is there now as a more experienced person, is there some advice that you would give your younger self as far as career growth or what to do?
Yeah, that's a good question. So, like, I started as a software engineer back in the days, and one thing that I would probably do a bit differently is, in addition to starting as a software engineer, I would look into cloud straight away.
Mm-hmm.
This kind of because this whole DevOps world and the cloud world is a very broad thing. You cannot there are very few people who understand everything.
Mm-hmm.
And because there is just so much information and so much things to know about and to learn, in addition to software development, which is on its own exists for many years, and it's a huge field.
Mm-hmm.
Still, cloud plays an essential role, and it's something that I would start with earlier. And just the way I would approach it is probably would do a bunch of POCs.
Mm-hmm.
You can read documentation, you can watch videos.
Yep.
Unless you actually try to apply it, there is no way for you to learn.
No, great. Yeah. So you tell yourself, software engineer, still a good path. Add on the cloud skills, and not just from an academic point of view, from reading it. Go get your hands dirty, where you can really learn what is going on and kind of continue to build that skill stack, so you can be a good software developer, know infrastructure, and be able to add value across the entire stream.
That's right. It would be cool if you are not only writing a code, but you also know how to write serverless code, for example.
Yeah.
And you do not put the whole framework in a single cloud function, and you split things out, you keep it small and things like that. So the earlier, because there's just way too much information to know right from the start, the earlier you start, the better. However, it's better to start than not to start at all. So don't be afraid to start even if you missed it.